Hello, I've got a Peugeot 206 here on a 2005-2006 plate. Just replacing the main dip beam. I'm going to show you how it's done. If you switch the lights on, please. Now, as you can see, the passenger side one is working, but the driver side isn't. We're going to replace it and show you how it's done. Right here, then I've got a spare hand. What I need to do is first remove this washer fluid cap. So all you do with this one, you pull the whole thing out. It's got a little seal. Make sure the seal's not damaged. You put that on the side. Then you've got this cover here. The only way to take this cover out by pushing the clip up and then pull the whole thing back. You then gently move it back all the way, or if you can pull it out. In this case, I'm gonna have to pull it out. Now these are the little lugs and they sit right in there. So there's one hole there as well. Now this is the bulb we're doing. Now as you can see, there's a spring on the top. So you push the spring in and then push it that way so you can take the bulb out. But before I do that, I unplug it. So with unplugging, they do get a bit tight. So you just wiggle. Make sure you do it from the plug itself. And that's it, that's out. Once you've taken the plug out, you push the spring in and to the right. You drop it down slowly, so make sure the spring doesn't come out from the bottom holes. If they do, then you'll have a nightmare putting them back in. And then the way you take the bulb out, as you can see, the pin locator on the bulb, it's a H7 bulb. It's facing up. That's how you gotta take it out, put it back in as well. So if you put it down like this, what will happen is your beam image would be incorrect, and then you'll have a bit of a problem with the MOT and the drivers in front of you as well. So that's the bulb I'm replacing now. So it's a H7 bulb. I will take the bulb out from the back, not holding it from the front, just to be on the safe side. And then I slot the bulb in. Like I said, pin up, slot the bulb in. You'll see it slot in properly, nicely as well. And then you bring the spring up. When you bring the spring up, push the spring in and out. That's clipped in already. And then all you then do is plug it in and then cover back on. So the cover is a quite awkward one on this, so you've got to be careful when you do slot the cover in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can forget it, it's a long procedure. You slot the cover back in and you hear it click. That's it. And then this one goes straight in as well. We're just going to show you the lights are working now. If you just switch the ignition on and switch the lights on as well, that'd be great. That's it, that's lovely. Now they're both working. That one's working as well. This one's quite an easy one as well. So this one's not so difficult because where you've got a lot of room on this side, you don't have a lot of room, so you have a problem. Switch your lights on. Right, that's all you got to do on this particular model. It is a Peugeot 206 2005. The bulb required is a H7. If there is anything else you need to know, do check out the playlist, Peugeot playlist. We've got a bulb playlist as well. Or leave us a message and we'll try helping you out as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.